When importing survey data into OpenRoads Designer, curve options can be controlled by the Civil Survey Spline Type configuration variable. If no variable is defined, value 1 En-ROADS Cubic is used by default. This method generates B-spline curves using the same method En-ROADS survey used. I have a design file referenced that reflects the En-ROADS survey curve, and I'm going to import my survey with the Civil Survey Spline Type configuration variable set to 1. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn off my display for now, but this is how our curve should display once that survey data is brought in. I'm going to select Survey, Fieldbook, File, locate Fieldbook 1, and I'm going to import my survey raw. Let's go ahead and get rid of my terrain so that we can see this just a little better. Okay, so our curve came in correctly. I'm going to go ahead and display my reference once again so we can see that. Now I'm going to delete my survey data. And I'm going to edit my configuration variable. Now, because I have edited my configuration variable, I'm going to exit my design file and relaunch. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that my configuration variable is set to 2, and it is. I'm also going to make sure that my reference file is still attached, which it is. And I'm going to leave it display for now. And what I'm going to do is bring in my fieldbook data once again. We can already see the difference, but I'm going to go ahead and delete my terrain. And turn off my observations here. And as I toggle my reference, we can see the difference that the configuration variable has made. So be cautious as to the type you have selected if you add and use the Civil Survey Spline Type configuration variable.